So let us see the replace function. Okay, in the replace function what we are saying is, okay, so replace function will replace the part of a text string based on the number of characters you specify, and it will replace with a different string. So the syntax that we have is, we are saying that replace old text, okay, with, and you have to specify the starting number, the number of characters, and the new text, right? So please remember all of these are required. So if you see old text, okay, the text that you want to in which you want to manipulate. So if you see, okay, let's say suppose this as an example, we have the text is ratan.gupta@gmail.com, my email ID. I don't want this dot, I want this dot to be replaced with underscore. So I want this. Okay, how I can do it? So it means that I am manipulating this string, instead of dot I want underscore. Right, so this is my old so in this text I want to replace dot with underscore. So what you have to do is, okay, so you have to use the function replace, okay, and you specify this text, okay, which is, let's say, A4, okay, and you have to specify which is the starting number. Please note that, so to specify the starting numbers, please note the starting number will be what? 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, and then you have to give the number of characters. Number of characters I want is 1, and the new text I want is underscore. So this is what, this if I do, it will give. Let's see. So I want replace, okay, old text, okay, the starting number is 6, the number of characters is 1, and the number of and the new text that I want is this. So if you see, it has converted ratan.gupta to ratan_gupta. But the issue is, here I have computed this manually. This 6 I have computed manually. How I can use whatever learning we have done till now, okay, to, instead of this 6 I want something to come, right? So if you see, we can use search, okay. What we have to search? Here I have to search dot, okay, within where I have to search dot in this, okay, and starting you can specify 1 or you can leave it also, okay. So it will give you 6. So what we can do is, we can use, instead of this 6, okay, we can use the search, and this will give the idea. So please remember that I do not want you to count and solve, right? So count and solve, you can do it in one sample here, but these all manipulations you will find that it is very useful, okay, all manipulations are useful. So I want you to use this search functions, etc., right? So this is what you can do. Similarly over here, we want this comma to be replaced with hyphen, okay, which you can do. So you will have to search the first comma and replace, okay, right? Then what we are saying is, next one, in this you have whatever is the text after comma, I want you to remove, okay. So I want you to remove this comma India. It will require some thinking. Try to do this, okay. So it will foster your learning, and you will start applying. So please remember, I don't want you to count, I want you to use the search and then replace, okay.